Let's see how we can remove duplicates from a string. So I'm going to add a new method here, public static string. We call it remove duplicates and give it a string parameter. To solve this problem, we need to iterate over our input string, read each character, and check to see if we have seen that character before. If not, we add it to the output string. So first I'm going to declare a string builder object. We use this to build the output. So output, we set it to a new string builder object. Next, we iterate over our input string. So for each character in string.toCharacter array, now here we need to find out if we have seen this character before or not. What data structure is ideal for quickly looking up an item? A hash table. But we often use hash tables for storing key value pairs, like a character and the number of times we have seen that character. In this case, we don't care about the number of times we have seen each character. We only want to know if we have seen that character before or not. So a better data structure is a set or hash set. It's exactly like a hash table, but instead of storing key value pairs, it only stores keys. So back to this problem, let's declare a hash set. So we use the set interface. We need a set of characters. We're going to call it scene and set it to a new hash set. So to refresh your memory, set is an interface and hash set is a class that implements this interface. Okay. So back in our for loop, we ask our hash set if it contains the current character. So if scene that contains this character, well, if it doesn't contain this character, then we're going to add it. And we should append it to our output string. So output, then append the current character. Finally, we return output, the toString. As simple as that. Let's test the implementation. So back in the main class, I'm going to call string utils that remove duplicates. Let's say trees are beautiful. There are a lot of duplications here. We have a bunch of E's, we have a bunch of A's, and so on. So we store the result in output and print it on the console. So all the duplicates are gone. We only have one occurrence of E. Beautiful. Now, what if we pass a bunch of white spaces? No problem. What if we pass an empty string? That is working too. What if we pass null? We get a null pointer exception. So just like before, we have to check for that in the first line of this method. So if str is null, then we return an empty string. This is how we remove duplicates in a string.